Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We just vacuum sealed both some nuts and some vegetables. We're going to show you that in the overlays. But Amy, why would somebody want to both do moist and dry goods with a vacuum sealer?
So what I love about the RAMJOY is that it does have different functions. You can do your dry and your moist as well as your external vacuum, and that's going to be for canning. Vacuuming as well means that you can buy a roll of paper and you can make your own individual sized vacuum packs. These were pre-sized, and you can tell, but we've got our nuts right here, we've got our vegetables right here. These are of course amazing for all of your poultry, meats, and seafoods also. I love this because you're going to be able to keep your foods fresher and tasting better for your family. That's also going to mean that you have less food waste. So we are all watching our pocketbooks lately. You know, groceries can be a lot right now, so being able to save things, buy in bulk, and then portion them out individually is not only great for your pocketbook, but it's great for your meal planning and your ability to have individualized portions. This is great if you get a good deal on, for example, produce when they're in season. So if you have peaches right now, they're in season in Florida, you can buy a bunch of peaches, you can vacuum seal them, you can freeze them.
And you can have them next season,
and
right?
And then you're going to be able to have fresh, delicious peaches next season. If you want to buy a big bulk package of almonds, maybe you're not going to use them right away and you want to keep them fresh. You're going to be able to still have these months and even years later.
I love that this is all in one step. All in one step. I just
It's
put it in
so
there.
easy.
I don't have to like get a separate sealer. It does everything all in one step. That's
So
easy.
easy.
And then I know you bought some salmon the other day and you vacuum sealed it because there's so much benefit to getting something in bulk.
Yes.
And then being able to chop it up and have smaller portions.
You are able to save so many ducats.
It's a lot of
doing
ducats.
it that way.
All right.
It's absolutely fantastic. RAMJOY makes it easy, and I also love, again, that moist and dry functions. You can see, if you just notice the difference in the aggressiveness between those vegetables versus those nuts. The vegetables, they're going to squeeze, but softly, not so much that it ruins the integrity of your food. And then it's also going to do a little bit more aggressively when you have something like nuts or you have something like grains that you still want to keep fresh, but you also, can be a little more aggressive in that vacuum sealing and keep them for even longer.
All right, folks. If your question is, should you pick it up? Yes. I love the company. I love the quality. And this is going to allow you to really expand. Also, like when you're cooking, you can just take out one portion of that you froze of bacon.
Absolutely.
One portion that you froze of salmon, and it's going to really make it to where you can cook a lot more intricate things. Just because of one very simple product that doesn't take up much counter space. You can put this away very easily.
Absolutely.
All right, folks, stick around for our up-close portion of the video where we show you the UNBOX. Again, if your question is, should you pick it up?
Absolutely. Heck yes.
Heck yes. Goodbye, my friends. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. This is for the people that want to know everything about the product, really get the deets. Well, guess what? This is the RAMJOY hands-free vacuum sealer machine, RVS050, and you can see you can use it for things like steaks, for fruit, for vegetables. We might use it for nuts, for corn, etc. This is the RVS050, 120 watts. That's perfect wattage. And the power consumption is only 40 WH, watt hours. The vacuum degree is negative 50 kPa, so it really vacuums good. It's got the max seal length of 30 centimeters. That's a big, wide opening, big, wide berth for those larger bags. And this is some advanced technology. Very excited about it. Can you hand me a knife real quick? Doot, doot, doot. And we're going to open this thing up. Very excited about it. RAMJOY is a premier brand that have just been making good stuff for a long period now. They're fantastic, good packaging. Make sure nothing gets damaged in shipping. We know some of those inferior brands are not putting in the styrofoam and not separating things out like they should, but RAMJOY always has your back, always has you covered. course, the instructions written in easy to read English, like all of their products, written by a native English speaker with all of the information. You got various modes here, and they have equipped you with just a plethora of bags. There's your vacuum hose as well, a sturdy, durable hose. And this thing is lightweight, and it's going to do a great job for you. So folks, if you're looking for something that's going to really make a difference in your kitchen, this is something that's going to really help reduce when it comes to waste, and that's going to help your overall BILL at the grocery store. It looks like you're just going to insert the bag right into here. It's got various modes and easy to read instructions, operating steps. Place the machine on a flat surface, boom. Put food in a bag and put the bag in the chamber. Set to dry or moist according to the food, and the machine will start to vacuum. After the heating strip is automatically sealed, remove the bag. It's just that easy. So yeah, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and plug her in. It's gonna be a standard 110 standard plug outlet right there, and they even give you a little protector. Folks, if your question is should you pick it up, this thing is going to help your kitchen immensely. Stop wasting so much food. Get a RAMJOY. Goodbye, my friends.